Hi everybody, I'm Carrie from the Frog Project, and this short routine is designed to help open up through your hips, through your lower back. Really great if you've been doing a lot of sitting recently and you just need a little bit of a moment to feel a bit more space in the body to move around. So wherever you are, just taking a moment, sitting on the floor, resting here, maybe leaning into one side, leaning into the other. Maybe hanging forward. Just taking a moment to notice how everything is feeling. And all the way back to the center. Big breath floats your arms up. Easy exhale, thumbs to the heart, or to the tummy, or to the legs. 2 more times. One more time. Hands to release. Lean to the side, untuck your toes. Tabletop pose, taking a roll around here. Tucking your toes, maybe lean back. Downward facing dog. Walking your hands back towards your feet. One step at a time. When they get there, if it feels nice, stepping on the inside of your hands here. Really great if you spend a lot of time on a computer. Or maybe just holding here, maybe tucking your hand behind your arm. Nice and heavy. Release your hands, inhaling, gently crawl up your body. Hands raise all the way up. And exhale back down. Watch the tree crawling down your body. Head and neck heavy. Inhale, coming back up, just the same again. And exhale to fold. Crawl down your body, take your time. Lean a little bit left, a little bit right. Maybe separate your feet a little bit. And slowly come towards your squat. So I'll come around here a little bit. So just softening in. If it doesn't feel comfortable, you can just stay with one knee down, moving into the side, the other knee down, or maybe rolling around here. Big breath to open up. Exhale to close. And gently, hands can catch you. Bring yourself down, your feet together. A nice big breath in to lift tall. And exhale, softening forward. Maybe a little roam around, a little crawl around. Noticing what's going on there. Your hips, your lower back. Hanging out in the center. For a couple more nice big breaths. Slowly guide yourself back up. Take hold of this left leg on the foot the knee, or wherever you can hold on to. And gently give it a rock, a roll, a cradle. Moving into those hips. Maybe bring it a little bit closer as you're beginning to warm up. And then taking hold of the bottom of your foot. Stretching through the foot. And keep your knee bent if you like. Breathing here. And slowly release that leg back down. Lean into the back, straighten that front leg. Bring this foot to the outside of the knee. Hand comes back behind you. Inhale to lift through the belly, through the chest. Take a twist. Exhale to twist a little bit deeper. And gently roll back to the center. Twist the opposite way. And all the way back in. Bringing your opposite leg now in for that cradle. Out here in front. Gently side to side. Maybe it begins to get a bit warmer, a bit friendlier. Bringing it in a little bit closer. Take hold of the foot. Gentle foot massage. And bringing it back in. Lean back, straighten the opposite leg. Bring the foot to the outside of the leg. Hand comes back behind you, opposite arm to lift. Through the belly, through the chest, and exhale. Elbow to the outside of that knee. Twist around. Couple of breaths here. Inhale gently back to the center. This time lower the leg. Softening in. Bring those feet back to your butterfly legs. And if you'd like to turn around, if you're on a mat, come to the long side of your mat. Take a moment here. And then slowly we're going to soften all the way down to the floor. Open the arms like a cactus. And some nice big breaths. If it feels nice, you can put a couple of pillows underneath your knees for a bit of support. Or even bring your legs in for a cross, which might feel more comfortable. Stay here for as long as you like. And when you're ready, slowly release your knees. Bring them in for a squeeze, just holding onto the kneecaps there. Let the legs hang heavy. Maybe a gentle rock side to side. And rolling off to the side. Resting here. And then gently pushing yourself up, back into a nice, easy seated position. Hopefully you feel good and relaxed, your hips feel a little bit open, and you're ready for whatever is next. See you soon.